Hello, so I just got my new Orbiter extruder and you can see that there's a lot of LDO logo on here, and it's just a little box, and at the bottom there's this package delivery info, so I'm not going to show it to you. And so I'll start with here. It looks like I could just tear apart from here, it feels like. I should probably wear a little bit of gloves. It's very nicely packaged and everything is super thick. So it's a little bit too thick, I'm gonna say. So this is the first layer. Looks like there's another layer beneath it. It's like a layer of cardboard. And I'll probably use this orbiter to update my Ender 3 Neo, which has been running for years without problems. And I'm just thinking that I want to print some TPU from it, so I'll need a direct drive extruder, and here it is. Orbiter extruder, nice. So let's get it out. There's this layer of foam. Let's see. Orbiter extruder v2.5. So let's get this off. Here, it's more tape. I actually like their tape. So, like the blue, the color is very calming, I would say. It feels like, I like their color more on the tape than their real logo. I think their real logo is less saturated than this tape. Yeah. But anyways, it's my personal idea. Nothing major. So yay, Orbiter extruder v2.5, but we have a lot of packaging here though. So here's the box, and let's get it open. Dun, dun, dun. A layer of foam. Let's get it off. The extruder, yay! So let's see. Those are the wires. This is grease, and there's some things here. Oh, a screwdriver. And get this foam out. There's still something at the bottom, and yeah, it's actually come with a motor. That's cool. That is a LDO motor, 1.8. So it's from LDO, and yeah, this is against the extension cable. Yeah, you could use it without having a 2-head board, which I might actually do. Here's the filament pass. And here's where the filament comes in. Here's a knob. Wow, it feels very nice. And it's very heavy though, like, I'm not sure. Let me bring a balance. So, let's see. It is, well, 140 grams. That's a little bit heavier than I've expected. But anyways, let's put this aside. Let's do a very brief conclusion. Look at the packages. It's certainly a lot. We have the outer paper wrap, the foam, and then we have this box and a lot of foam inside. only for this little tiny precious thing. This is good though, like to protect everything, but it might be a little bit too much. Anyways, thanks Orbiter for creating those amazing products, and yeah, I might want to take this apart actually to see what is inside next time. We could actually see the screws. You could see the tiny little screws. I mean the gears inside. And well, you couldn't see much, but though it's like it looks nice. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Bye.